Okay, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Rian. I am from DV25A class, and my name number is 202500060032. And this presentation today, I would like to present a topic entitled the role of technology in higher education. In recent years, the rapid development of technology has significantly transformed the way teaching and learning take place at universities. Technology is no longer only a supporting tool, but has become an essential component of the academic environment. In recent years, technology has become an integral part of the learning process at universities worldwide. It has transformed how students access information, interact with lecturers, and develop academic skills. Therefore, this presentation aims to examine how technology supports teaching and learning in higher education, as well as its broader effect and academic improvement. Again, next for the content. The content is benefit of technology in higher education. First, technology provides significant benefits for both students and lecturers. One major advantage in increasing access to learning rescue, such as a book, such as a book, yes, electronic books, academic journals, and online database. Moreover, learning management system enables students to submit assessment, participate in discussion, and receive feedback efficiently. Efficient. As a result, technology extends flexibility and promotes independent learning among university students. Okay, next. And a conclusion, however, despite its advantage, the use of technology also presents several challenges. Not all students have equal access to digital device. Yes, not all student access to the digital device and stable internet connection. Yes, this there are, which may create education inequality. In addition, excessive reliance on technology can reduce face-to-face interaction and cause distraction during learning. Therefore, it is essential to use technology in a balanced and responsible manner. Okay, next for your Q&A and quiz for you. Yes. Okay. Quiz number one is: do you think technology can replace lectures in the future? Hmm. In my opinion, technology cannot fully replace lectures as human interaction and guidance. Yes, in guidance and remains essential in higher education. Okay, quiz number two. What is most important technology in the universities today? My opinion, what is the important technology in universities today is, I believe, learning management system are the most important as they organize learning activities efficiently. Okay, in ensures actual learning. In conclusion, technology play a vital role in supporting the development. Okay, one conclusion more. In conclusion, technology plays a vital role in supporting the development of higher education. Okay, I'm happy to answer any question you might have. My name is Rian. My name is Rian. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.